welcome back to another video. And today is my birthday, but I'm gonna come out and say a few things before this video starts on the things I'm going to review. First off, it is my birthday, and I will be doing a vlog or a video about some of the things that I get for my birthday. So, yeah. So, another thing is, I'm not recording with my phone right now. I am recording with my mom's phone because I lost mine. Mine got stolen. So, I'm hoping that... I burped. Anyway, I'm hoping that with the birthday money that I get, I'll be able to buy myself a new phone. So, we're gonna get straight into the video now that all that's out. So, you guys know the fidget spinners are very popular. This is my personal one that I colored with Sharpie on because these bearings were silver. And I oiled it. And it has a terrible spin time, but it is very, very smooth. So, I said, I don't like this anymore because it has a terrible spin time. And I'm pretty sure that these bearings aren't supposed to come out. And this is supposed to be really loud when bearings come out. So, I might smash it. Okay. So, I got myself a new fidget spinner. I'm not going to show you what color it is, even though you already know what color it is. It's green. And then a fidget cube while I was at it. Got myself a fidget cube. Yeah! Okay. So, we're going to unbox the fidget cube first. So, let's open it up. Ooh. Has that new item smell. Open. Okay, so we got the black and white one. Take this off. And we have it. The fidget cube. Yeehaw! Okay, so first off, we have a light switch. Literally is just a light switch. Nothing more, nothing less. Just a light switch. And then we have some gears that move, but they're really stiff. And we have a rolling metal ball, which is stupid. Now down here we have some buttons that click. Wait. Only 3 out of the 5 of them click. These 2 do not click. Okay. So that. This is a moving thing with a little dot on it. It's really stiff though too. Because it's new. So then we go up here, we have a joystick. It pushes in. And it spins. Right here. And we have a soothing stone at the bottom here for your thumb. Just put your thumb here on the soothing stone. So, this is awesome. I'll put that one right here so you can see it. Here you go. Giant fidget cube. Poke. 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 And I'll move it. So next, we have this awesome fidget spinner. I'm just kidding. We have the green brand new fidget spinner. So we'll open this right up. Look, there it is. brand new fidget spinner. Never been spun before. Ready, set, go. Okay guys, so it is very smooth, just very loud. Listen. Okay. So, this is a pretty good fidget spinner. And this is a pretty good video, so you can subscribe to me if you want more fidget spinner videos and fidget item reviews and stuff, because there are a lot more items out there. So guys, if you want to see more of these, then give this video a like. I want to reach 10 likes, and I want you to tell 5 of your friends about my channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I think I have a new outro.